Now, Club Panto 2019. Here we go.
Boneddigion a boneddigesau, a Sian, a Nick. Croeso anferthol i chi gyd I Panto Blynyddol, Clwb Gorau'r Byd. A massive greeting to you, one and all, and a warm welcome to this wonderful hall. Posh, aren't we? Makes a change.
Doesn't it just? Eisteddwch yn ôl, ymlaciwch, gnewch eich hunain yn gyfforddus. Please sit back and try to relax, as if you're a club forward with a good set of backs.
Rydyn ni mynd ar daith fydd gofiadwy. We're about to take you to a far-off land, where the beer is cold and the setting is grand.
It's vitally important to the people you'll meet that they feel welcome when they take to their feet.
Peidiwch â gofni, dim ond hwyl yw e wir. We are greatly sorry if the following scenes cause distress or offends. I'm sure we can all have a laugh and try to stay friends.
That's enough from us, as we can see you're very, very keen to meet the characters who are living the dream. Mlaen ar sioe!
Ymhell I ffwrdd mewn gwlad chwedlonol, far away in a mysterious land that is locally known as Pont Cana. Riverside, really, CF Lewn.
Well, it's kind of upper Riverside, Aelod, to be honest. In this mysterious land, there live the young players of the best rugby club in the whole wide world. Clwb Rygbi Gorau'r Bydysawd, Clwb Rygbi Cymru Caerdydd. Maen nhw'n gyflym iawn ar eu trad ac yn hynod dwyllodrus. They're very fast on their feet, but rumour has it, if you shout, Clwb! 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 Loud enough, you might spot one of their elusive players. Shall we try it? Nawn ni drio then? Shall we try it? Ar ôl 3, 1, 2, 3, Clwb! Clwb! Clwb!
Oh, llawer yn uwch, not loud enough. Unwaith eto, ar ôl 3, 1, 2, 3, Clwb! Clwb! Clwb!
Hey, there's one now! Oh, she ran off, just like Clwb Ifor Bach on a Saturday night.
Roedd chwaraewyr rygbi Penny Gampano a mwy. As well as the best young players in the world, the land of Pont Cana also had a mixed array of creatures.
Dewch ar daith, felly. Let's go over to the mysterious land and meet some of those characters now.
Hello, greetings, and my name is King Cannon. And I'm Push.
And I'm Paul, and we are the King's loyal assistants.
I am the king of this wonderful land, but also the captain of this wonderful and successful rugby team.
Teyrnasodd y brenin dros yr holl wlad. The king ruled the land from his castle high up in the region of the Cameo.
I rule across the entire lands, from the gold mines of Cathay Castan, all the way to the tasty Oriel Jones Valley, the men with the best meats in the whole world. And then across the way to the enchanted cinnamon tree.
Roedd y brenin ar ben I ddigon. the King had a reason to be happy, as his club, Clwb Rygbi Cymru Caerdydd, had just been to Japan and played in the Fantasyland World Cup.
Chwaraeon nhw yn wych, a chyrraedd y final. They played really well, and thanks to a strong front row and some open attacking rugby, they beat Scotland in the final to be crowned World Champions! Mwy!
Hang about guys, we just said World Champions bencampwyr y byd o'n bencampwyr y byd!
I paid my dues, time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes, I've made a few. I've had my shouts and kicks in my face, but I've come through. I need to go on. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world.
Ah, well, all this celebrating, it's made me lost my memory a little bit. How great it is to be back in sunny Pontcanna. How great to be back in sunny Pontcanna. But there is just one. Where is Mrs. Fishkoff? Where is she? We need her, we need her. Where is... Will you help me look for her, boys and girls? Yeah. Will you help me look for her? Yeah. Come on, Dishy! Dishy!
Dishy!
Hello, everyone! Oh, there you are, Dishy. How great to see you. Have you returned from our trip to Japan?
Oh, just about. I'm very jet lagged. I don't know whether I'm coming or going. I'm more sleeping all day and I'm up all night. Like a vampire.
She looks like one as well. So, where have you been? Where have you been, Dishy?
The spa.
To the where?
The spa.
The spa. What have you had done?
Well, they threw nappies at me until we've been pumped.
What a great victory it was anyway in Japan, wasn't it, this year? What a great victory. And it was fantastic, especially how well our front row played. Those two boys, Martin Kitchener's cousins from Japan. Where are they? They should be here. Where is Ichibum and Sushi P? Where are they? Marvellous players, what wonderful players, but the key ingredients in our cake of victory over in Japan was one player in particular, whose defensive prowess could not be matched. But he is also missing. They push and pull. Where is the one, the mighty Shadwell? Where is he? Shadwell! 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 Shadwell!
Roedd pawb yn byw yn hapus a chytun, gan amlaf. They all lived in harmony and happiness most of the time. However, there was a secret that everyone in Pontcanna hid from the rest of the world. In a dark swamp near Lower Cathedral Road lived an ogre, his wife, and their trusted Asin. He was the brother of the famous Shrek. Os rhywun yn gwybod pwy yw Shrek? Pawb yn gwybod pwy yw Shrek? Well, he was the brother of the famous Shrek. Just as hideous, but with one slight difference. He used to terrorise the people who didn't live in the land of Pontcanna. Do you want to meet him and his gorgeous wife? Would you like to? I said, do you want to meet him? And his gorgeous wife?
Wel, dewch yn ei gwrdd ag e. His name is Shadwell. But he will answer to Shadwell. Let's call for him. Gweidwch, gyda fi, Shadwell! Shadwell! Shadwell!
Why, that's ever gonna happen. Wow, look at somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. The years start coming and they don't stop coming. That two moves and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense, not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart, but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see, so much wrong with taking the back streets. You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star.
Pwysa! Whoa! Calm down, Shadwell. Pwysa, sgrelwch yn dda. These people, mae'r bobl yma, I gyd yn byw in the wonderful land of Pontcanna. You might know it as Riverside, CF11.
Hey, that's different. Aggie, aggie, aggie! Aggie, aggie, aggie! 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 Aggie, aggie, aggie!
Definitely.
It's an ugly people, right? Aggie, do you want to meet my wife? Rowena! Rowena!
What do you think I said?
It's
Soon after the show.
Hey, I can have a look here. Let's go have a look at this.
Come on in there.
There's some ugly people in here. In fact, I go as far as to say some of them are from the ugly capital of Wales, Cantown. Oh, you're ugly. You're all right. You're ugly.
Is it Chops you went over here from Ely?
No way.
This one hasn't got any teeth.
A couple of proper ugly ones at the back, I know that.
One over there has got any hair.
This one here! Yeah, he's ugly, yes. Very good boy, yes. Very good. Ugliest thing. All of them from Berryport. Not one pretty person has come out of Berryport. Where are you from? Let's go to him.
Shadwell!
What?
There he is, boys, there he is, Shadwell!
I'm angry with the ugly people.
Shadwell, come back here, man, come back here. All these people, they're from the wonderful kingdom of Pontcanna.
No way.
Come on, they're it all, you old decrepit, hook-nosed, ugly agent. Come on.
Let's get up there, come on.
Oh, it's so good to see you again, Charlie. Happy to come in.
What a great trip. I know you were lucky, were we?
Oh, we were so lucky. I think one of the main reasons we won is because of the silly and ridiculous play from A. You know who did it?
I tell you what, that Scottish Hamish McHead, right?
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely livid. Right? Livid. Livid. Livid.
Right, anyway.
Get a long story short.
Roedd bywyd yn fel I gyd, ond nid i'r asyn. Roedd bywyd yn fel I gyd yn rhoi asyn adael y llwyfan, ond nid wedi yn yr Alban Page. As the king and his teammates bathed in the glory of their victory, it was a different atmosphere north of the border.
Oh yes, indeed, yes. In the even further away land of the Glasgow Giants, things weren't quite as rosy.
Right, and you may die. Run. Oh, run, Mr. Wilde. The line in your bed's a long time from now.
Oh, wake up, sire! You're chanting in your sleep again!
What's going on here? Hey! Oh, no. It can't be true. Can't have lost the fantasy land, the Rugby World Cup, with those sheep sharing taffies.
Aye, it's true, my lord. It's in the reading.
That's a ropey little accent you got there. Outplayed, outfought, outclassed, outrageous. I can't stand those silly little Welshes and their pathetic little language.
Wir I chi, byddai'r Albanwyr ddim yn hapus o gwbl. As you can see, the Scottish captain and warrior, Hamish McHedbert, had not taken to losing the Fantasyland World Cup very well at all.
Oh, you can't go on like this, mighty one. You must seek help.
I know. But what can I do? I've tried everything. I've been to see the pool of wisdom at Shan. I've had a chat with the wee man, the widget weaver. And even in my desperation, I went to have a chat with wee nasty Nick and his poison little tongue. There's only one person. I suppose if you've only got one line, you better make it a good one. Shall I do it again?
Yes!
No. Ach, there's only one person who can help us too. Hey, you mean the wise and knowledgeable Baldric?
Roedd angen cyngor doeth arno. He decided that he'd seek advice from the wise and knowledgeable wizard they call Baldric.
The journey was far into the Highlands, the home of the wise and knowledgeable Baldric.
I says here to get a big knocker to get their attention.
Well, I've never been shy of a knocker or two, so I'll give it a lash. We'll try that one again. You can't get the staff.
Who dares play with the knockers of the mighty Baldric?
It is I, Hamish McHedbert, the mightiest warrior in the whole of Scotland.
Why do you disturb the mighty Baldric?
Well, I need your help.
Me? Help you?
Steady on. I don't lose the cash.
Oh, that's different. What's the problem?
Mae'n rhaid esbonio y cyfan, so mae Hedberts explained the whole situation to the wise and knowledgeable wizard.
There is only one solution to your problem. The Neath method.
What's that?
Well, cut a train down there and they click them back, man.
They can it, right? Come on, lads. Hey.
Yn anffodus, fe dim arian ar ôl. Sadly, after paying the wise and knowledgeable Baldric, Mac Hedberts could not afford the train fare, so they set off on the tough, grueling walk from the land of the Glaswegian giants to the land of Bodcana in a quest to steal back the cup.
I knew I was right. It's this way. Never let Griff lead the way.
By the daith and heriol, the walk was challenging as they first encountered the pit of despair.
Otherwise known as Wrexham.
They balanced along the sheer cliffs of Colwyn Bay.
Daliwch yn dyn. Well, there was a fence, boys.
Steady. That's no easy on a hangover, I can tell you.
Try being a narrator, mate. They had to avoid the mad monsters of Montgomery.
Roedd pob un yn y wallgo. Yes, they're actually all mad.
Next, they encountered the Forest of Doom.
I chi a fi, the Forest of Dean.
And finally, they had to swim through the dreaded pool of Pont Ardawau.
Lle braf iawn. Actually quite nice, lot of pools, etc. Like the aqua park in Cardiff Bay, no problem.
nad oedd cerddoriaeth Benny Hill, fe gymeron nhw saib yng Nghoes Cwrlwys. The mighty army decided to camp in the fire swamp, just on the outskirts of Culverhouse Cross. It was here, ladies and gentlemen, that some of the warriors took advantage of Black Friday and M&S, while others began to plot how to steal the Fantasyland World Cup back. And note, it's a cup, not a bowl.
Draw ym Pontcanna, roedd y criw yn ymlacio. Whilst the marauding army moved closer to the land of Pontcanna, otherwise known as Riverside, CFLM, things were much more relaxed in King Canna's court.
Push and pull. More wine is more wine.
Oh, you get used to this lifestyle.
Hey, come on, this is your turn on the cardio. Come on. What are you going to sing?
Should we celebrate, shall we?
Yes, let's celebrate, shall we?
It's not fair, is it? No, it's not. It's not fair that we are the only ones who get to revel in our own success. I think that my entire kingdom should join us in these celebrations, don't you think?
Oh, yeah.
I think it would be a very good idea if we all have a dancing.
Yeah! You want to boy players, and I'll go find something for the dance competition. Yeah, good idea.
Okay, ar ôl 3 felly, after 3. Clwb. 1, 2, 3. Clwb.
I need some dancers. Any of you dance? Any of you dance?
Prydemedi. Pau Jantin chwarae.
Let's go to the big ones.
Under 13s is Thomas. Kerry dawnsio now. He's got Scottish blood.
Not one of you look at me in the eye, no. Not one of you. Come on, Miss Kitchen, let's go. Come on, let's Let's have a little look around here. Anybody else? We need it. How many we need? How many we need?
Oh, 2 or 3 more, maybe Shadwell.
No worries, I'll find them now. Let's have a little look here. Oh, we've got a couple of the older boys here. Gimme! Andy Owen, it's
Beth yw'r enw? Dyma Griff, Pau Jantin chwarae Griff.
Youth on my youth default.
Talk
about a dampener on things.
Hey, got one person to come here said, that's not a panto, you read your lines. Get up there.
Beth yw'r enw di? Age group, Andy? Age group, thanks. Sydd enw di? Rhian Smith o'r i'r Sian.
Rhian.
Ceri dawnsio.
You're going to be the judges now. Who's going to win the dancing competition, right? So look at them, watch their moves, and you'll win. I've heard He does dance a lot by himself.
In the middle of every night, that's what I heard, yes.
Yes.
But if we're going to have a dancing competition, then we need battle again for it. We need some music, please.
And we need...
Diolch i Gref, diolch i Thomas, diolch i Gandhi, diolch i Sian a diolch i Jan.
Some interesting music there, Shadwell. Anyway, I'm so glad, I'm so pleased that my entire kingdom had the opportunity to celebrate in our Rishi, how did you got a phone call? You expecting a phone call? Must be on silent.
Hello! Kincanna's Castle, is she speaking? Oh, yes. You sure? Right, God, boy. Tell him now.
Does she? Yeah. Big problem. What is it?
Bad news, boys, bad news. Hamish McHeadbutt and his band of cronies are in M&S Clubhouse Cross.
Well, if they're on their way down, it can only mean one thing.
Well, that's lovely, enough. They're probably Christmas shopping, isn't they? Probably buying something nice for their wife in the shadow. Yeah, get you all in their kiddo.
No. They must mean that they're on their way here to claim what they believe is rightfully theirs. The fantasy land, Rugby World Cup. There's only one thing we can do. Men, prepare your horses and your weapons. It is time to prepare ourselves for battle. Ready.
Okay, lads, here's how we're gonna get a gut whack.
Right, we'll wait till those lazy Welshies have fallen asleep, then we'll creep up on them, tie them up, and pull them off one by one.
Pull them off?
And then we'll neck the cunt right through their noses.
Sons of Scotland, I am Hamish McHeadbutt, and I see before me a whole army of my countrymen, here
in defiance of tyranny. So tell me, what will you do with that freedom?
We will run, and we will live.
Aye, run, and you'll live, at least a little while. Fight, and you may die. But one day, a long time from now, when you're lying in your beds, would you trade every day from this to that to come back here and tell your enemies they may take your lives, but they will never take your freedom! Right, well, if this is the case, if MacHedward's army are really on their way, then I think we should probably get some rest. We should get a good night's sleep. One of us needs to keep lookout with guards, just in case they do little slides.
I'll do it, King. I'll look after the cup.
Your boss. Right, boys, come on then. Rest now. Rest now.
Roedd pob un wedi blino yn lan, so they all fell into a deep sleep, apart from Shadwell and Miss Tishkoff.
Now, jet lag meant that she was unable to sleep and instead decided to do some cleaning and polishing.
Hey, you will help me with you. If you see those mad Scottish warriors, tell me. Will you tell me?
Yeah.
Tell me if you see them.
Yeah.
You make sure you shout and tell me if you see them, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. That'll do. I'll keep an eye out here. I'm watching that cup.
Now, we were cheated out of that cup, and we've come back to claim what's rightfully ours. You?
You sad little loser. If you want the cup, you Scottish numpty, you're gonna have to fight me for it.
Aye, that's no bother, pal. I'll tie you up like a wee tomato! Come on, lads, let's find that cup!
Oh no! What have they done to my lovely boys? Can you help me? I need some Club Juniors and hide the cup from those nasty Scottish warriors. So let's call the club players together. The Scottish warriors, okay? Now let's go. Quick.
Felly, achubodd yr adran iau ydi arwyr go iawn. So the junior section of Club Rugby guarded the cup and decided to come up with a plan to capture the evil Scottish MacHedward and send him back to the Highlands empty-handed.
Right, lads, keep your eyes peeled, and if you see the cup, give me a shout. Oh, there it is, sire! There it is! There it is! It's ours at last! Oh no! It's a trap! It's a trap! No!
the Scottish Army were sent packing back up to the Highlands and were never seen again until the next Six Nations.
Tristwch llwyr a thor calon. So the sad folk of Pontcanna land were left sad and forlorn by the fact that the cup that they played so well for had been lost forever.
Had been lost forever until the youngsters from the best junior section in the world saved the day. Tani adran iau, gorer bydysawd, achub y dydd unwaith eto.
We need to celebrate this again. We need to sing song. We need to sing song to celebrate Shaq.
I know exactly the right song.
Can you help start?
Yes, it goes something like this. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hang on a second, let's go down here. Listen, the whole idea of this, that you should know now. You should know by now. You're all up and down. All up and down.
Get everyone in my kingdom on your feet.
Come on,
Arise!
come on,
Arise! La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Here we go, here we go. Come on, give it your best.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Here we go.
Wedes i oedd hwnna'n eitha special. Ydy pawb wedi mwynhau? Gwych. Hoffwn i estyn gair o ddiolch i bawb. Dwi ddim yn mynd i enwi unigolion rhag ofyn I mi bechu. There are many people to thank for putting all this together today, so I'm not going to name any individuals in case I forget somebody and then my name will be mud. Felly, 1, 2, 3, rowch groeso unwaith eto, rowch gyfrydwyeth unwaith eto i tîm Clwb Rygbi Panto 2019, os gwelwch yn dda. Mae'n wir i ddeud, ni bach o glwb sy'n ddigartre, we are a homeless team. Yn eitha nomadig o ble dyn ni'n cynnal pethau, ond yn sicr mae gyda ni calon. Yeah, we do have a home. We might not have a home, but we certainly have a heart as a club. And when you have an event like this that incorporates the Adran Iau, the Merched, the seniors, it brings us all together. Our hashtag on social media is Un Clwb, and I think mae digwyddiad fel heddiw yn crisialu hwnna. An event like today really crystallises and enforces that we are one club and everyone comes together o dan un banner, Un Clwb. Felly, gai fod y cyntaf i ddymuno Nadolig Llawen i chi gyd. Dwi ddim yn mynd i ganu, byddwch chi falch i glywed. Dwi'n swnio fel siop anifeiliaid anwes ar dan. I won't sing, so I promise you a Merry Christmas, and I'll just say it, because apparently I sound like a pet shop on fire, so I'm not going to do anything. There are selection boxes i'r plant, felly pan ydych chi'n mynd, cofiwch ddweud diolch wrth Nick, felly anreg wrthyn ni i chi am ein cefnogi am 1 flwyddyn eto. Felly, diolch yn fawr, Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all.